Welcome to Jethro's Garage. Hey, good to see y'all today. I haven't done a episode in a while where I talk about my pawn shop finds. It's because I haven't had any good ones in quite a while. The last ones I did, everything I'd found was pretty much in Alabama, but I got lucky and found a few good ones today. Hey everybody, I wanted to cut in here. I know I've already did the introduction on the video, but I wanted to catch up with y'all and show you a little something that I've put together. Still working out the details on this cup and whether, it's cost effective or whatever, and if people would want to buy it. And if you'd like to buy a cup, please comment down below. But I'd like to tell you I am planning on giving away one of these. I only ordered like 10 of them. But I want to give one of these away on December 24th. I want to give one away on December 24th. I'll go live that evening at some point. Going to try to make it around 6:30. So I got to plan it and all that. I'm going to do this, and a few months ago, I asked y'all to guess the price on a tool I'd bought, a snap-on wrench, ratchet. And if whoever got it right on the dot would get a sticker pack. Well, no one got it on the dot. I never said nothing else about it. I should have went ahead and commented that no one won it. But what I'm going to do, out of everyone that comments on this video and puts, I want that cup, I'm going to do that and give away a sticker pack. It's going to come with about 20 stickers in it, hot rod, maybe some other stuff related, tool, whatever. I appreciate everything y'all do. I appreciate you all watching my videos. Thank you for everything. And continue enjoying the video. Oh, roll Tide. First on the list is a no, it's not new. It's a Craftsman tap and die kit. It's a fairly old one, made in America. Every bit of this is made in America. It's missing some pieces, but it's a couple. I think I'm missing the little handle for this. I got a lathe, I can turn one if I need to. I'm missing 2 taps, and I'm missing, I don't know if I'm missing a gauge, a thread gauge, and I'm not sure what goes there. But anyway, nice little kit. Like I said, all of the tools are made in America, Craftsman USA. Real nice kit. Did I need another tap and die set? No. But when I seen this one for 15 bucks, it was a no-brainer. I mean, they're kind of consumables. Some of them will break and whatever. Some of these pieces I may never use. But it was 15 bucks. I couldn't turn it down. Next thing is this OTC cylinder leak down tool. Pretty nice little kit. Let me open it up here. I purchased this in the Black Hawk toolkit. At the same pawn shop. I offered them 110 for both, and we settled on 120 for both. So this comes with the gauges, it comes with the hose, and it comes with different adapters. I'm pretty sure these 2 adapters didn't originally come with the kit, but they fit. That's awesome. Oh, we're getting some rain, I think. Got me a nice little heater going on right here. Nice little kit. This one they were asking $59.99 for. I think it's like an $80 kit through Amazon. Not a bad little deal. Wasn't a smoking great deal, but it's something I didn't have that I could use, so I did it. Let's see, this is for my tap and die kit. And last but not least, it's a 1/2" drive SAE Black Hawk, yeah, ratchet set. So I noticed a few issues. So they were asking $69.99 for this. I'm gonna try to get one of these sockets warranted, and I wouldn't if this thing had been beat up and abused and everything, but it hasn't. It's a very nice kit, but it's barely even been used. But for some reason, I guess, I don't know what they did, but they broke the 7/8. I'm gonna get in touch with Stanley and see if they'll warranty that out. This is a made in America kit. Now, this particular company, toward the end of its life, well, not really toward the end of its life, it's not over, but they, this was the bottom line of a Proto, or maybe it was middle line. It was Proto, Black Hawk, and Stanley. I think, I'm 99.9% sure Proto was top of the line, and then it went down from there. But still, it's a pretty nice kit. The action is a little tight on the ratchet. Honestly, this will make a good present when I get everything straightened out on it. And it's a good quality kit. It's kind of old. Let's see, what do we got? Let's see if we got any dates on this. Nah, no dates. But this is the Black Hawk Professional Hand Tools 1217, 1217. So I guess it's a 17-piece 1/2" drive. Instead of it'd be like 1/2" drive, 17-piece, 1217. So it went from 3/8 all the way up to 1¼ inch, skipping 1 inch and 3/16, and a few others, and had a pry bar, a pull handle on it, ratchet, and an extension. So all told, I guess I spent 120, 130, 135, 140 bucks roughly after taxes on this stuff. So not a bad tool haul, especially for some of this stuff. Appreciate y'all turning in, tune in. I've got a few more tools to do here, and just tune in and watch our progress on the Mustang. If you don't know what I'm talking about, scroll back a few videos and check them out. I've got some things coming up on it. Probably won't be till next week till I can get some more done. Y'all take care. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Hey, please, 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 please hit that like button down below. It'll really help me out. And if you got any ideas or suggestions, comment down below. Thank y'all.